going to talk about how to do the reverse applique today. This is the first step of the reverse applique on in the hoop bag. So here's a circle. Next step, you add the fabric that you want to be seen beneath the other one. So this is the first fabric you attach. Now I've added the fabric. So now I will run the next step to attach this. So in this case, this is the fabric that will be seen, and everything outside of this circle will not be seen because we will add an extra layer of fabric. So you can leave a small edge and cut this fabric off. So now I run all the steps on this first piece. So what's coming now is we will attach the fabric on top and the lining if you want one. So now I will remove the tape and flip down this front piece and continue to stitch this design. So now I've attached the front and I have run the outline for the applique, the reverse side. So this is, instead of cutting outside the circle, you will cut inside the circle, and then you will see the other part that you have hidden beneath. So now you can see I have cut away this piece. Be careful when you cut so you don't destroy the embroidery. And then you just continue with the rest of the design. Now we have added the extra fabric on top of the front. This is both an regular applique and also the reverse applique, because you have to cut both inside and outside. So be careful. And what I did before I attached this is I made a small hole here. You see, it's easier to get your scissors in there without breaking the fabric underneath if you do that in advance. So good luck. So now I'll cut away the excess fabric from inside of the circle and outside of the second circle. So as you can see, the reverse applique is here in the middle, and then you have a normal applique here. Applique. Don't mind my language, you know. This is outside. Then we have one other fabric here. This is a cotton woven, this is a vinyl, and I have used another very thin fabric for the reverse applique that is closest to the interfacing, to the stabilizer. So this is how you do a reverse applique.